Hi, my name is Jean. I'm an experienced tutor at the CFAA, and I'm here today to talk to you about some common problems with commas. The Hodgins-Harbrace Handbook defines a comma as a punctuation mark that helps signify pauses or changes in pitch, or that helps separate two ideas or two separate thoughts. A comma has many functions in a sentence. It can help separate a coordinating conjunction like and, but, or so. It can help link independent clauses. It can help follow an introductory phrase and give the reader a clue about where to pause. It can help separate items in a series. It can help separate non-essential information, and it can just add clarity. Today we're going to focus on how a comma helps link independent clauses and accompany a coordinating conjunction. Many students come in and their professors have written on their papers, fix this fused sentence or fix this run-on sentence. And it's important to understand that whether it's a fused sentence or run-on sentence, it still means the same thing. You're missing a form of punctuation. As Purdue says, your two independent clauses are not separated by any form of punctuation. And the three common ways to fix this include adding a period and a capital letter, adding a semicolon, or adding a comma and a coordinating conjunction. And we're going to talk about those three ways today. A coordinating conjunction, for those of you unfamiliar, is a type of word that separates two independent thoughts. Common examples of this include and, but, so, or yet. An independent clause is two separate ideas that can stand on their own. Many people call this a sentence. Your examples on screen at the bottom are both independent clauses and separate sentences, because each of them, although they vary in length, they have separate ideas, and so they can stand by themselves. On the screen now, you should see examples of correct and incorrect sentences. These list three of the ways that you can fix a fused sentence. The first shows you how you can fix with a semicolon. The second shows you how you can fix with a coordinating conjunction. And the third shows you how you can fix with a period and a capital letter. With the first example, you see how the two sentences are very closely linked in ideas, but because they're two separate thoughts, that needs to be acknowledged, so the writer has added a semicolon. In the second sentence, you see that they're two separate ideas, but the writer has decided to connect them with a comma and a coordinating conjunction. In the third example, you can see that there's a more definite divide because the writer has added a period and a capital letter. So now we're going to review. Read over this sentence on your screen and see if you can identify if there's a punctuation error. Global warming is a major problem in the U.S. It is also a problem all over the world. The answer is yes, there is a punctuation error. There are two separate thoughts. First, global warming is a major problem. And second, it is also a problem all over the world. Remember, to fix this problem, we have three separate solutions: adding a comma and coordinating conjunction, adding a semicolon, and adding a period and capital letter. Those three choices are listed on your screen. It's important to realize that any of three of these options would be a correct answer for this sentence. The second review question is, all day long the rain poured down, but at 5 o'clock the sun appeared. Is there a punctuation error in this sentence? The answer is yes, there is a punctuation error. Although the writer has attempted to see that there are two separate thoughts, they'd left out the comma when they put their coordinating conjunction with the word but. Because you see the two separate thoughts, all day long the rain poured down, and the second thought, at 5 o'clock the sun appeared. So I've listed the correct sentence on your screen at the bottom with all day long the rain poured down, comma, but at 5 o'clock the sun appeared. I've also listed on screen some helpful websites and tools that you can use to further explain what commas are and how to fix comma errors. So I hope these are helpful tools in the future, and thank you very much for watching.